So welcome to the subject cyber security. So it is the seventh semester, common subject to all final year students. So cyber means it is a computer or computer relevant devices, some networking, some technology. So cyber security means it is a process of protecting the computer or other devices or networking devices from the attack. That is called cyber security. So in today class, so we will discuss about the overall introduction and overall view and what are all the topics we are going to study in the subject. So this is the syllabus copy. The course code is 23 SCE050. The subject name is cyber security. See, it is common for AIDS, AML, Auto, Civil Departments, ECT, EEE, VLSI, Mechanical. It's a common paper. It was defined by university. So we have to teach the cyber related syllabus or cyber related subject in the engineering colleges, since nowadays most of the students are not aware, or most of the attacks are, we are in the digital era, we are in the digital world. So the hackers can easily uh, steal your data and create unnecessary uh, cyber related problems. So to avoid, to create some awareness, so the university, they have given this kind of syllabus. So as usual, there are two modules. So module 1, it is two areas. It is, one is just first we are going to discuss about the introduction of cyber security, and next one is different types of cyber crimes and cyber law. So what is cyber security? As I have discussed already, so it is a process of protecting our computer and computer related devices from the attackers. It is a process. We have to provide some safeguard to our system or to our laptops or to our mobile phone. So whatever the digital technology what we are using, so we have to protect. So it is a process, it is a technique, and it is a method to protect our device, our computers, our system. That is nothing but cyber security, right? So in that first area we are going to deal with introduction to cyber security, and second one, it is nothing but cyber crime and cyber law. So first one, what is defining cyberspace? This is the first topic. Cyberspace means it is a networking, it is a computer network. So for example, it is a connection of different devices with networks. For example, laptop, mobile phone, we are connecting now, we are having some networks. It is a digital platform where the computers or other digital gadgets are connected together. That is nothing but cyberspace, where there is a possibility of attack, right? That is cyberspace. Next, overview of computer and web technology. What is, we should know what is computer. So before going to this cyber security, we should know the basics of the computer. Maybe you know very well computer basics and web technology. This is basic one. Next one is architecture of cyberspace. So what about the architecture of cyberspace, that we will discuss. Next one is internet. So what is internet? What is internet? So when it was invented? These are all internet. Next one is www. So there the data, all the data are stored. That is www. So we will discuss. Then advent of internet, internet infrastructure for data transfer and governance, and internet society, who is governing, who is providing internet service, everything. Regulation of cyberspace, concept of cyber security, issues and challenges of cyber security. So what are the different kind of issues, what are the challenges we are facing in cyber security? So these are all comes under introduction part. So next one, cyber crime and cyber law. So what is cyber crime? Means different types of crimes. For example, so classification of cyber crimes, maybe child crime or unnecessary harassment against women, some digital harassment, unnecessary sending some emails or something, or having the data of women's or children's, sending unnecessary messages. So these are all different types of crimes. So classification, first we are going to see about classification. So this is an important area in module 1. Next one is cyber crime targeting the computer and mobiles, and cyber crime against women and children. This is very important area. Then financial frauds, for example, financially many our money gets stolen by the hackers, that we can discuss in that financial frauds. Next, social engineering attacks. So for example, everyone nowadays we are using Facebook, Instagram, everything, that is nothing but socially we are connected. So how the attacks can happen in the social engineering, that is nothing but social engineering attacks. Next, malware and ransomware attacks. Malware means malicious software. Ransomware means it is one of the cyber where our files can be stolen and we can't able to access the files. So this is the attacks of ransomware. We will see in detail. Malware means malicious software. That is, they are going to produce one malicious software and they will send some attack to the some targeted computers or something. Next is zero day and zero click attacks. Zero day means, so we can have the attacks, that means we can't have the time to recover, that is called a zero day. First day itself we are having attack. Zero click means, for example, if we are having on website a single click itself, the attackers can steal your data, that is called zero click attacks. Cyber criminals models operandis, reporting of cyber crimes. So if there is any cyber crimes happens, how we can report, what are the procedures for reporting, that we are having separate website, that procedures we have to see. Remedial and mitigation measures, how we can take necessary steps and how we can eliminate to be happen in future. So these are all do not happen in future. These are all mitigation policies and legal perspective of cyber crime. So if there is any cyber crimes happens, so legally how to manage or how to proceed, that is nothing but this one. IT Act 2000 and its amendments, that means for performing financial transaction, so what are the procedure we have to follow, like username giving, password we are giving, that kind of authentication we are giving. So these are all the act, different amendments to prevent the financial fraud. Cyber crime and offenses, organization dealing with cyber crime. So what are the different organizations are there deal with cyber crime, and cyber security in India, and some case studies. So this all comes under module 1. So this is about module 1. So first area covers the introduction to cyber security. Second area covers the cyber crime and cyber law. So this is about some introduction and cyber crime and cyber law. So this all comes under in module 1. Okay. So in next class we will continue. Thank you.